If you've accidentally deleted messages on Wish and want to recover them, follow these steps to try and retrieve your information. Note that recovery options may vary based on the platform. Step 1. Check the app's archive. Open the Wish app and navigate to the messaging section. Look for any archived messages or folders where deleted messages might be stored. Some apps keep a record of deleted messages for a limited time. Step 2. Review email notifications. Check your email associated with your Wish account. Sometimes, important messages or notifications are sent to your email. Search for any emails from Wish that might contain the information you need. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the messages are crucial, reach out to Wish customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need, and they may be able to assist you in recovering them. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check if you have a backup from before the messages were deleted. Restoring your device from a backup may recover lost data, including messages. Step 5. Use data recovery software. As a last resort, consider using data recovery software. These tools can sometimes retrieve deleted data from your device. Follow the software instructions carefully to attempt recovery. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages can be challenging, these steps may help you retrieve important information. Always consider backing up your messages in the future to prevent loss.